Most people spend first. The wealthy plan first. Rich people track every dollar. Small mistakes become expensive later. Saving feels safe. Investing creates growth. The 1% invest first, then buy luxuries. Wealth starts with discipline, not a huge paycheck. Credit card debt destroys freedom. The wealthy avoid useless interest. Rich people make money work daily, even while they sleep. Investing is not luck. It's a long-term habit. Wealth grows slowly first, then compounds massively. The rich protect their money carefully because wealth takes time to build. Luxury impresses people. Assets create freedom. Millionaires think years ahead. Most people think about today. Financial freedom needs discipline. Motivation is not enough. Passive income changes everything. Time becomes yours. The wealthy give every dollar purpose. Nothing stays unmanaged. Rich people trust systems. Emotions create mistakes. Most people chase fast money. The 1% build lasting wealth. Investing removes fear. Preparation creates confidence. Wealthy people review numbers often. Awareness creates control. Rich people buy assets first. Luxury comes later.
The wealthy focus on ownership, not appearances. Millionaires protect their future daily, one smart decision at a time. Long-term investing beats excitement. Patience creates fortunes. Emergency funds prevent disasters. Preparation saves peace. Debt steals future income. The wealthy understand this deeply. Rich people plant money like seeds, then wait for growth. Compound interest rewards patience. Time becomes your advantage. Financial education changes lives. Most schools never teach it. Retirement planning starts early. Time multiplies investments. Budgeting is not punishment. It's financial direction. Wealth is built step by step, not overnight. Rich people celebrate ownership, not distractions. Your mindset controls your money before money controls you. Impulse spending destroys wealth. Discipline protects it. Multiple income streams create security. One income is risky. The wealthy save aggressively first, then spend comfortably. Business owners understand leverage. Employees trade time for money. Investments create future income. Expenses create future stress. Smart investors study first. Knowledge reduces mistakes. Wealth grows through consistency, not luck.
Rich people think years ahead. Most people think weekend to weekend. Budgeting creates clarity. Without clarity, money disappears. The wealthy protect their assets carefully. Protection matters too. Wants are endless. Needs are simple. Expensive items don't create wealth. Ownership does. Cash flow matters more than income. Management changes everything. Wealth follows strategy, not emotion. Financial goals create focus. Without goals, money gets wasted. Smart investing beats gambling. Patience always wins. Real estate creates stability. The wealthy know this well. Passive income buys freedom. Active income buys survival. Bad debt creates stress. Smart debt creates opportunity. Automation builds consistency. Consistency builds wealth. Financial success looks boring sometimes, but boring habits make millionaires. Rich people think before spending. Responsibility changes everything. The wealthy follow investment plans, not social media trends. Financial security creates confidence. Money stress destroys peace. Emergency savings protect your future. Unexpected problems always come. Diversification lowers risk. The wealthy never rely on one thing. Taxes matter to rich people. Protection keeps wealth growing.
Discipline beats motivation daily. Motivation comes and goes. Profit grows through patience, not panic. Rich people buy homes wisely, not emotionally. Retirement planning starts early. Time multiplies investments. Every dollar should have purpose. The wealthy never waste direction. Habits decide your future, not luck. Rich people focus on progress, not perfection. Long-term planning creates stability. Short-term thinking creates chaos. Financial freedom is built intentionally, never accidentally. Side hustles create opportunities. The wealthy understand leverage. Small expenses become dangerous over time because they silently multiply. Smart people study money constantly. Learning never stops. Luxury is the reward, not the starting point. Wealth is built brick by brick. Consistency matters most. Savings without investing loses value slowly. Inflation never sleeps. Money management is a skill, and skills can be learned. Financial cash flow changes lifestyles. Time becomes flexible. Organized finances reduce stress. Chaos creates fear. The wealthy think differently about money. That changes everything.
Rich people write financial goals down. Clarity creates focus. Compound growth looks slow first, then becomes powerful. Smart systems remove emotions. That creates stability. Successful investors stay calm during fear. Emotions destroy portfolios. Profits reward patience eventually. Panic destroys opportunity. Financial books change perspectives forever. Knowledge builds confidence. Emotional spending feels good temporarily. Discipline feels good permanently. Businesses scale income faster. Time alone has limits. Saving monthly creates momentum. Small steps matter. Investing apps changed finance forever. Wealth is now accessible. Rich people study mindset deeply. Thinking creates outcomes. Monitoring investments builds awareness. Ignoring money creates problems. Financial planning prevents confusion. Direction creates confidence. Cash is powerful when controlled wisely. Uncontrolled spending destroys it. Discipline creates financial peace. Chaos creates pressure. Millionaires focus on ownership first, not social status. Wealth building takes sacrifice first. Freedom comes later. Opportunities appear to prepared people. Preparation attracts success. Payday loans trap people emotionally. The wealthy avoid desperation. Protecting wealth matters deeply. Building it is only step one.
Rising profits reward smart decisions. Strategy matters. Annual planning creates clarity. The wealthy think ahead. Money grows where attention goes. Ignoring finances is dangerous. Investment discipline creates consistency. Consistency creates wealth. Passive income creates options. Options create freedom. Smart investors manage risk carefully, not emotionally. Financial roadmaps create direction. Without plans, people drift. Saving and investing are different. The wealthy master both. Cash flow is king. Rich people understand this deeply. Millionaire habits look simple daily, but consistency makes them powerful. Financial freedom is earned slowly, not instantly. Business profits create opportunities. Employees rely on salaries alone. Future goals create motivation naturally. Purpose changes behavior. Investing confidently requires knowledge first. Education reduces fear. Budgeting gives money structure. Structure creates control. Subscriptions silently drain wealth. The wealthy review expenses often. Organized paperwork prevents mistakes. Preparation saves money. Long-term growth beats quick hype. Patience always matters. Rich habits are often boring, but they work. Wealthy people protect investments carefully. Preservation matters.
Calm, multiple bank accounts create organization. Organization reduces stress. Passive income dashboards motivate consistency. Progress builds confidence. Emergency funds buy peace of mind. Security matters deeply. Luxury without wealth is dangerous. Appearances can be fake. Rich people search for opportunities constantly. Most people wait. Assets create future income streams. Liabilities create future payments. Money rewards discipline over emotions. The wealthy know this. Wealth management requires patience. Fast money disappears quickly. Financial intelligence changes decisions forever. Knowledge creates leverage. Millionaire confidence comes from preparation, not luck. Debt destroys freedom quickly. Investments can create it. Investment ladders take time to climb, but every step matters. Monthly goals improve focus. Direction increases discipline. Business growth creates leverage. Time becomes scalable. Wealth protection prevents collapse. The rich plan for risks. Retirement investing rewards early action. Time multiplies results. Disciplined habits create strong futures. Weak habits create stress. Real estate builds generational wealth slowly. Patience matters deeply. Growth mindset changes financial outcomes. Thinking shapes behavior. Gold represents protection for investors. Security always matters.
Smart choices create future wealth. Bad choices create regret. Wealthy people visualize long-term success. Vision creates persistence. Automated investing removes excuses. Consistency becomes easier. Gambling destroys financial stability. Investing builds it slowly. Passive income creates flexibility. Freedom becomes possible. Tax strategies protect hard-earned money. The wealthy study rules carefully. Financial discipline compounds over years. Small habits become massive. Wealth apps increase awareness. Awareness changes behavior. Money mindset affects daily choices. Thoughts shape actions. Millionaire goals require patience. Shortcuts rarely work. Growth happens slowly at first. Then success accelerates. Investment plans create confidence. Random decisions create fear. Financial growth requires consistency daily, not temporary motivation. Spending habits reveal priorities. Actions expose mindset. Security creates peace of mind. Money stress destroys focus. Savings accounts are foundations only. Investing builds the future. Passive income blueprints create freedom faster. Systems matter. Compound interest rewards patient investors. Time changes everything. Wealth management requires smart thinking. Emotion is dangerous. Financial freedom feels different because stress disappears. Investment returns grow with patience. Time rewards discipline. Business profits create wealth opportunities. Ownership changes lives. Smart finance habits build strong futures. Small actions matter daily. Wealth projections motivate long-term thinking. Vision creates discipline. Successful money systems reduce mistakes. Structure builds confidence. Luxury becomes safer after wealth exists, not before. Investment success needs emotional control. Fear destroys growth. Financial mentors accelerate learning. Experience matters. Disciplined investing creates powerful futures. Consistency wins. Wealth grows when money is managed wisely. That is how the 1% think.